In this video, I'd like to share with you what I look at when acquiring a business. So it's very simple actually. I've come up with this system that I use. It's called the 3M system. So the first M is margins. What I'm looking at is whether the company makes things with high margins or low margins. Why is this important? Well, you see, with low margins, it's a completely different strategy for running the business. With low margins, it's all about squeezing out efficiency, productivity. There's no room for error. Quite often you can't upgrade machinery, or the only way to make a profit is to actually go for the best possible machinery. But that's not necessarily the area I like to be. The other types of businesses where the margin is high. And I prefer businesses with high margins because you have more room to play with. You can then look at employing better people. You can play with the price a bit. Although there is a way to go from low margin to high margin, and that is through branding, which brings us to the next M, which is about marketing. So here I look at two things. How is the company, the product positioned, and also what is the sales like? So as you know, every commodity can become a brand name, and sometimes it is not about making or offering services in a specific area. It's about coming up with a product that you package nicely and promote that as a standalone product. There are a lot of examples, like you could be a car manufacturer, but not in the way that we understand it, but where you say, come up with a design and I'll make that car for you. The alternative, which is what actually happened in the past, someone decided, no, I'm going to make this model, like Ford, their model, just this model, and we're going to offer it to everyone. No variations, no bespoke solutions, just this one product. So that's how you can move from low margins to much higher margins. And the third one is management. Now with management, it entails a few areas. One is the leadership. I want to see who the people running the business are and what the management and proper management structure is, whether the managers are capable or not. This also means people, whether we have the right team, whether the team is excited about what they do, or whether they are just disgruntled employees. They look like zombies and they couldn't care less. They're just there for the paycheck. And also under management, I understand all the systems and procedures that are in place. So the 3 M's, margins, marketing, and management, they nicely entail all the areas of a business. And that's a very helpful tool that I use each time I go into a business looking out of whether it's a good acquisition or investment. Now, I must say that in most cases, it is on the negative side of things, as in hardly any companies have those things that I just discussed, but that's an opportunity. It's as if you, let's say, restore old cars. If someone bought a good car, it's like, well, not much work for you to do. But if someone says, I've got this old rusty car somewhere in the barn, then like, oh, okay, that sounds good. Let's go and see it. So it's the same with me. I like when there's something to improve on, and then I use all the tools that I have available in my toolbox to turn this company around. And bear in mind, I'm offering this program. It's called The Investor, and I really invite you to it. If you would like to be part of it, then please DM me or send an email to mk@mkwebsite.com. It's a program where I step into your business and shoulder to shoulder, I help you turn around the company, and we record everything along the way, similar to, let's say, Gordon Ramsay. So it's a way to showcase how we can turn around a company prepared for succession, and by doing so we can educate others as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and share it with anyone who will benefit from the content of growing, healthy and thriving businesses.